In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom shapes in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to turn simple shapes into unique designs, using a few easy tools you already have in Canva. First, open your design. From the Canva homepage, open an existing project or start a new one with the size you need. Once your canvas is up, make sure you can see everything clearly. Use the zoom control at the bottom to get a comfortable view and give yourself some space around the edges, so you can move things freely as you work. Now let's combine and edit shapes. Head to Elements, then select Shapes. You'll see basic options like rectangles, circles, triangles, stars, and more. Click a shape to add it to your canvas. With the shape selected, use the toolbar at the top to customize it. Change the fill color with the color picker. And if the shape supports borders, toggle the border on, adjust the thickness, and choose a border color that contrasts nicely. For shapes like rectangles and squares, you can often round the corners by dragging the corner handles or using the corner radius control in the toolbar. Need a duplicate? Use the duplicate button or a quick shortcut to keep your sizes consistent. Rotate the shape using the rotate handle and hold Shift when resizing to keep proportions locked. Small tweaks here: color, corner rounding, and border weight make a big difference in how polished your shape looks. Next, let's layer and group to create something custom. Add a circle and a rectangle from Elements Face Shapes, and drag them so they overlap. You'll see guidelines appear to help you align the edges and centers. Use the position options to move one shape forward or backward, building a layered look until you get the silhouette you want. This is how you can make things like tabs, badges, pointers, and icons by simply combining parts. When you are happy with the arrangement, select all the shapes and choose Group. Grouping locks them together, so you can move, resize, and rotate everything as a single unit without losing your layout. If you need to tweak something later, you can ungroup or double-click within the group to edit an individual shape. Keep an eye on color harmony across the grouped shapes. Using a shared palette helps the final design feel unified. That's it. Thanks for watching.